Hey everybody, how's it going? Is anybody still awake? Does anybody want to do a quick project? Actually, a Dollar Tree project. I got this tote bag from Dollar Tree. Have y'all seen them? It's awesome. It's actually one of the Dollar Tree Plus items. It's and it says it's a swimsuit sack. Y'all hop on, let me know where you're watching from. Anyway, I get, because it's like plastic lined inside, I guess if you go to the beach or the pool or whatever, you can put your bathing suit in here. And this part says that it's touch screen compatible. So like you could put your phone in here and it would still work. How's everybody doing? Hey Tammy, hey Sherry. I hope y'all have had a great day. I didn't know if anybody would still be up. I'm barely up. Hey, Cara. Is it Cara or Kara? Y'all look at my hair. You can tell I've had a fun day. And listen, the key word tonight is beach. I'm doing great, Tammy. And Jenny and them are going to the beach soon. I think, anyway, they're going to the beach soon. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to do an experiment. Do y'all ever, I call myself a risky crafter. Do y'all ever experiment with your crafts? This is we're kind of going to do that. Hey, Janice. I keep forgetting. I'm trying to do this. And have y'all seen these in your store? It's so pretty. I just love it. And I was like, I am going to try to ink on that. It's 10:17 and you was going to bed. Look, I will make this quick. And you're watching the Mavs beating the Timberwolves. That sounds exciting. Was it a close game? Okay. There we go. Anyway, normally, you know, when we do an ink project, we heat set it. But I'm going to do this one tonight. And because it's got plastic on the inside, I'm not going to heat set it. So that's kind of the experiment that I'm doing. I do not want to melt the plastic. And because it's already got plastic in it, I'm not going to worry about that. And I'm going to be using this gorgeous color. It's called Tide. I thought it would be like one of the darker colors on here. Y'all tell me where you're watching from. I'm in Tennessee. My name's Debbie. Refresh, Restyle. And y'all, I got a new green cabinet. What do y'all think? Isn't it gorgeous? At the store, they said as is. I'm like, what could be wrong with it? It looks yummy. It's you know, it's like an old, I don't know, maybe a small china cabinet. I don't know. Anyway, so Jenny and them are going to the beach. I'm going to ink this and not heat set it. I'm going to dry it. And I'm going to let her take it with her, put whatever she wants to in here. And we're going to see how that ink holds up with no heat setting. In the bed. Oh, well, I'm glad you got the message. Y'all, and this is like stinking cute. It says beach hair, don't care. But you can switch out the words boat hair or camp. And the key word tonight is beach. Y'all, I love this cabinet too. I was actually out of town and I saw the store posted. And I said, Jenny. In fact, I think Jenny was over here at the house. And y'all look, see these lines are not exactly straight. They're kind of waving. Thank you for sprinkling. Let me see. So we're going to ink this. We're going to experiment. Because normally the only reason you ink something is because you're going to wash it. But we're not going to wash this bag. So we'll press it down really, really well. Sometimes I take my squeegee and make sure that it's pressed down good. It's kind of an illusion, the way the... Oh gosh, I love this cabinet too. I feel so fortunate. And y'all, look, y'all know my craft room is not as big as it used to be. But I like to have different stuff behind me. And, all right, I think I got this scooted over enough now. We're doing the beach hair. I don't care because I'm going to send this to the beach. Yeah, if y'all want the supply list, just comment beach. And listen, you're going to have to go to Dollar Tree and get this little bag now. All right, let's do this. These lines are not straight, and it's kind of throwing me off. Y'all, this is going to be quick tonight. And y'all, we still got a lot of stuff in the special section. Some of the stuff sold out because it's just lasts as long, you know, until it sells out. But anyway, I put that link in there too. So if you type beach, you're going to get these ink supplies, and you're going to get the link to the specials. And listen, have all of your Dollar Trees changed over to pluses? Ours has just random stuff. You know, when I was in Alabama, I had like 4 or 5 Dollar Trees close to me. And I'm so sad to say that I only got one close to me now. But we got one of those bigger Dollar Generals. Have y'all seen them? It's nice and big. I went in it the other day, but they only had like some of the stuff out. Hey, Linda. 2 Lindas popping up on here. Hey, Pam. Okay. All right. I'm going to take this off. Oh, my goodness. That's so pretty. I saw one little spot. You know, I like for it to be perfect. Well, y'all, no, that's not true. Y'all know I like for it to be near about perfect. And you know, normally we use the heat press and heat set this. Y'all, this is so cute. So while it says beach hair, I'm going to tell her to put anything in here she wants to. Enjoy the beach. The beach is her happy place. Y'all, look at that. Isn't that pretty? So pretty. Oh my gosh, somebody said something about a 99-cent store. I have never been in a 99-cent store. All right, we're going to dry this. And y'all, I did use ink. We're going to do everything except heat set it. Because I don't want to melt this plastic inside. What do y'all think? Was that not... That's a perfect color, isn't it? Hey, Kay from Texas. Oh my gosh, and another K. Isn't that so funny? A few minutes ago, 2 Lindas and now 2 Ks. Hey, Vanessa. Yes, this is my new cabinet. Barry came in here a few minutes ago because look, over there is a mess. Because I was getting stuff ready, put my cabinet over here. He said, can I take a picture? I'm like, no. Diana, you know what's so weird? That new Dollar General that I was just talking about, it used to be a pop shelf. And, you know, we moved here and I didn't go to the pop shelf. And then one day I noticed that it was changing over to that big Dollar General. So I was like, what in the world? So I didn't get to go to the pop shelf. I've heard great things about it. I guess I'll have to go to another store to see one. Hey, Debbie. Hey, Marcia. Yeah, can y'all believe the day I was going to go to that store? Nah, it wasn't the day. I was just like, oh my gosh, it changed over before I could even go to it. Hey, June. Now this is getting hot. It's got plastic on the inside. Vanessa, this cabinet it is. Oh, Carolyn, ours is too. Our pop shelf changed over to a Dollar General. And this came from the Dollar Tree. It has like a plastic side, you know, you can put your phone in. And it says it's for a swimsuit. And you know, normally we heat set ink. But because this bag has plastic on the inside, I'm just going to dry it. And the reason, see like this, I made this shirt that says be salty. I don't know if y'all can see it. It says be salty. So, I mean, I've washed it 100 times. Sandy, yes, I think they are related. I think Dollar General owns Pop Shelf, I think. Or vice versa, or whoever the company is. Hey, Pam. Yes, it did come from Dollar Tree. And for all of y'all just hopping on, you can type beach for the supply list. Sherry, I've heard of Pop Shelf. I just never gone into one. To me, it seemed, the pictures that I saw, it looked more trendy. Y'all hadn't heard of it in California? Joyce, to me, they were kind of a more trendy Dollar General, Dollar Tree. And anybody that's been in one, y'all tell us what you thought about it, because I didn't get to go in hours before it changed. Hey, Linda from South California. Anyway, I hadn't used this color in a long time. It's called Tide, and it's ink. It's beautiful. Did y'all have a great day today? Look, Carol said it's wonderful. And I missed out. Now mine's a Dollar General. I believe this is dry, y'all. Anyway. Jenny and her family are going to the beach. So I thought I would make her a little beach bag. It's from Dollar Tree. It's plastic on the inside. So you could put something in there. And I think it's, you know, it says like for a bathing suit, like maybe a wet bathing suit. But to me, I would put like everything you need at the beach. Because this side you can put your phone in that clear side. And it says that you can still do the touch screen. But I think this turned out so stinking cute. What do y'all think? I think she'll like it. She does so much around here to help me out. And look, I know this is not financially a big gift, but I thought it would be the perfect thing to take along to the beach. Hey, Brenda, I'm doing great. How are you? There's none around you? Well, there was one around me, but now. Kathy, I'm not sure. It'll be in the Florida, whatever that's called, Panhandle. Y'all, we're kind of spoiled. If you've ever been to, like, the beaches in South Alabama, the beaches in, like, Central Florida and that area, the beaches are like sugar. The sand is beautiful. Unlike like the beaches in Tybee and some of the other places on the East Coast. If you've ever been to like Destin, all of those beaches in that area. Hey, Nona, if you've not been there, you should go. It's some of the, in my opinion, the most beautiful. Joyce, you just click on, there's like on my page, it'll say message. You can message me. But anyway, if y'all hadn't been to the beaches in, like around Destin and around Gulf Shores, Alabama, you should go. It's beautiful. The sand is white like sugar. It's gorgeous. All right, guys, that is what we did tonight. Dollar Tree beach bag. I hope y'all enjoyed this. I hope it gives you some ideas. It was so great to see everybody. And remember, comment the word beach. And when I send you a message, there's going to be a link to the specials where up to 70% off. No, it won't scratch off. Saying it's permanent ink. Somebody said, will it scratch off? It will not scratch off. So once you type the word beach, you get a message. It's going to have like a lot of things in there. It'll have like all the new items you can click. It'll have like all the stuff that's on special you can click. It'll have the beach supplies. Like if you just want this, you can click. So there's always like a bunch of good links in there. Hopefully for everything that we chat about while I'm live. So just comment beach if you want that. And guys, I will see you later. Have a great night. And all of y'all that was about to go to bed, good night. I'll see you tomorrow.